What's going on, everyone? It's your boy, Momo Trades. We're already getting on the action. Look at what happened in the overnight session. Oh my goodness. Incredible move down. I mean, we've been having some pretty high volatility lately, so we're in for another great day. Mahir, Bill, good morning, good morning. How we all doing? How we all doing today? Day 7 of the Apex 50K account challenge. We hanging in there. We hanging in there. We doing good. Last 3 or so trading days, all winning trades. We might get an opportunity right here. I might take this.
Order target filled.
All right, there we go. Quick, easy scalp. Quick, easy scalp. Good morning. Good morning, Rev. Good morning, Ev Zen.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
But basically what I saw here, I mean, it was right off this trend channel I have drawn. So if you're using price action, if you're relying on trend lines, don't doubt yourself. If you're brand new, maybe you gotta have some practice. But if you've been doing this for a long time and you have your trends drawn and you're confident in them, and you gotta bounce exactly where you would expect one after one leg up, break, 2 clear legs up. I'm still expecting us to go down, test the lows, and capitalize on the trade. In and out, in and out. Easy. Easy scalp. And that time I had one contract going for 1 point, one going for 2, and I didn't even have to move my second contract because we were just going fast. It was
Submitted.
It was like taking candy from a baby. Some trades are like that. Some trades move quickly. You don't have to get nervous. It's nice. And we're definitely having a lot of rejection at this area. So we might still turn down here. Not quite, not quite.
Order canceled.
But nice to start off the day 1-0. Yesterday we were 2-0. I think the day before that, I got it marked up. So yesterday, 2-0. Friday, 5-0. I think the day before that was 4-0. And these are just in terms of 1 point scalps. So for 1 point scalps, I think we got, how many is that? 12? 12 wins in a row? Not bad, not bad. Morning, morning. Axe Payne, Mr. Lunary. We gotta start liking the video up. Come on. We gotta rack these likes up, baby. Today's the day where we might get 1,000 viewers in here today. Hey, I'm not putting any limits. But I need you guys' help. We need to destroy that like button. Toad man. That was good. Man, that was good. A man can dream, Rev. A man can dream. Hey, anything's possible. Anything is possible, man. All right, but we're definitely having a lot of rejection at this area. We do have, yeah, Mr. Lunar, all your accounts gotta like the video. Um, we have the Jolts job opening 25 minutes from now. So 25 minutes we might start to get some volatility, but until then, I'm gonna be a little extra cautious with my trading. So yeah, I'm leaning towards us going back down to test the lows. I mean, look how many times we've been rejected at this area at this point. So we might first have a breakout of the top and then start working down. But right now we're just sideways. So even if we get a nice lower high here, I'd probably not take it simply because we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's like 12 bars stacked in a row. So best to probably just avoid this congestion. You don't want to get involved in any of this. No need, no need. But always good to start the day 1-0. Quick, easy move. Get that confidence going early. Because a lot of times it might be the opposite of that. It's no good when you get a losing trade to start the day. But when you get a winning trade, it's completely different. All right, and now I feel like we're about to have a breakout of the top, but I'm not confident that we're just gonna start working higher back to the highs. I'm still playing this range down here. But we might come out, take these highs. Let's see. Yeah, we just did. We just did.
Order submitted.
Okay, so I'm gonna look to sell if we break below this bar. Failed breakout.
Order submitted.
Let's see. Might get burned on this one. I hope not. I hope not. Let's see. Can we start working lower again? Can we start working lower? Come on now. Couple more ticks. Couple more ticks. All right. In and out again. In and out again. All right. Nice. 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 Saved. But I mean, it's all part of the price action plan. I mean, we have a range. We had a breakout. Nice bearish bar. Failed breakouts happen the majority of the time. And if I see the setup I like, I'm gonna take it. A lot of traders, they'll see the setup, they see all the criteria that they want to see, and then they don't pull the trigger. And then the next time they see it, there might be one issue with it, but they've already skipped so many trades where they're like, all right, now maybe I can pull the trigger. It's not quite what I want to see, but it's close enough. Then you take that trade, and what happens? Boom, it's a losing trade, and then you start doubting yourself, and you're like, oh man, why didn't I take the first trade? So it can be a vicious cycle. But I mean, if you are confident in the setup, no reason not to take it. Just you're a trader for a reason. Okay, we're getting a lower high here, but once again, we're just in the middle of this congestion right now, so I'm gonna stay away from this lower high. It might work out. We might just start working lower and lower. But we shall see. Yes, sir, Axe Payne, Eric Cantona. That's how we do it. That's what we want to see, man. That's what we want to see. Now these colors are getting a little too much, though. I've been trying to color coordinate, but I'm not that good at color coordinating. Looks like we got too many colors going on now. So going back to yesterday, I'm just curious. I want to see. I guess not. I was going to see if every trade would have worked out for 2 points as well, but this one wouldn't have worked out for 2 points. This one would have, and then both trades today would have worked for 2 point scalps as well. I mean, we got 2 points here. This one, just one in and out, but I wasn't looking for any more really. Beauty. It's a beauty, mate. But yeah, we're just stuck. We're just stuck in this range at the moment. Pure sideways action. Not what we usually want to see. Not what we like to see. It's alright. Sometimes you gotta just go with what the market gives you and be patient. But yeah, Rev, I mean, going back to this trade, I was saved, but that's why the 1 point scalp is so powerful. Because even like, I mean, I'm still confident in this trade. I'll take it every time I see it. But even on the trades where you enter and you're like, ah, shoot, like didn't really meet my criteria. If you're just going for 1 point, a lot of the times you'll get bailed out. And obviously you don't want to learn from bad habits. You don't want to learn from getting bailed out on a wrong trade, but there's the argument that okay, it's still good, still a little better for your mental psychology, just confidence having a winning trade rather than losing one. As long as you acknowledge the fact that it might not have followed your rules and you don't keep repeating that same thing. We swept yesterday's lows. That's true. Yeah, so yeah, we took out the lows from yesterday, so could be in for a reversal, but as Johnny's saying, nothing's guaranteed in this game. We took out the lows, but we might be having a fake out. We might start working higher and then boom, plummet back down. But We also could come back, test the highs of the day, take those out, then work lower or work higher. Who knows? Who knows, man? But yeah, looking back, clear failed breakout of this mini range, as well as this overall range we have drawn as well. It's a beauty, mate. Another banger in the 5 minute. Another banger. Yeah, so Jolt's 14 minutes exactly. So we shall see what happens. We shall see. We might be moving up to fill in some inefficiencies. I agree. I don't see a whole point of. I don't see a whole lot of points of interest to the downside because filling in or taking out the 927 lows. Yeah, we already took out. Or, oh, 927 lows? I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Is there a potential wider uptrend we got? It's possible. Es posible. Hey, this might be a nice little opportunity to go long. Fake some people out with this lower high here, expecting to go lower. We'll see if this trend holds up. Dark magic, man. All right, Ali Virgi, how are you doing? All right, looks like we're having some stalling right here. But it's a first entry, second entry, long trap, double trap. Let's see if we can keep working higher here. Just a little bit too big of a bar for my liking. But an okay trade right here. We're just sideways once again, but whenever I see an engulfing bar, and what would the risk have been? 875 to 425, 4.5 points. I'm not super confident in taking that risk. It's not worth it. But sometimes the risk pays off, and here we go. Here we go. Bouncing off that trend. Looks like we're working higher. Let's catch up on this Johnny Soko chat right now. All right, we might just be moving up Dark matter. Draw a fib from the overnight high to the recent pre-market low. Look at the 50% level. That's the range. Let's see. Well, I'm gonna just draw. I already have a midline drawn when I make my ranges. So let's see. Let's see where the midline is. Boom! Right here. Right there. And yeah, as you were talking about, we bounce right here. Yeah, of course. Points of. We got a ton of points of interest. I agree. I agree, man. Everything's a point of interest to me. I don't discriminate. Yeah, this was a nice trade right here. A little aggressive because of the big bar we were talking about, the sideways movement, but good to know. Good to know we're seeing the market right. Even though I didn't take this trade right here this long, the fact that I was considering it and was still, I mean, I was gonna take it if it was a little lower the risk, but the fact that prices moved after, I'm not pissed I didn't take the trade. I'm just like, okay, we didn't take the trade. Good to know. This trend is valid. This trend is holding up. Let's see if we get another opportunity. Identifying and using points of interest is how you become more comfortable taking bigger trades. Yeah, of course. Of course. If that's your strategy. It's not my strategy, though. I'm going for a 1 point scalp, man. It's not about confidence. It's about my risk to reward ratio. All right, we got about 7 minutes. 7 minutes till the news. At this point, it definitely looks like we're trying to get to the highs of the day. All right, that's a point of interest right there. I know you are. I know you are, Johnny. But all right, why don't now the fact that we could likely go up, why not put it long right here on the sim? Target 4333. Enter 4311, 4312. I guess you would put your stop all the way down here. What would that be? 20 point risk, 20 point risk, 20 point reward. Have I ever risked more than 1K in a trade? Yeah, yeah, definitely. That's why I'm doing this challenge. I'm a reset my everything. That's what I thought. I thought it was directed to Johnny. I know Rev and Johnny got a little beef going on. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for that. Look, Johnny's saying they don't have beef, but I know Rev does. Pat versus Nutty challenge, trader boxing match. Shit, I'll do it. I'll do it. Who can I box out there? I don't have a beef with anybody. But hey, someone calls me out when I'm the next big day trader on YouTube. They get jealous. Hey, tell them Moo Trades ain't here to play. Tell them I'm here to. You know what? I can't even say it on YouTube. All right, 5 minutes. 5 minutos antes del job opening. Eric, yeah, that's true. I ain't here to play, I'm here to stay. You better say in the chat, hooray, if you want me to stream another day in this life that we can all say is a blessing to be a part of. Because we are all parts of. I don't know. That's it. That's my 3-4 bars right there. All right, let's get some action in here. 4 minutes. But definitely just stalling right now again. A poet who doesn't know it is my man Bill. Because he knows if he got in a boxing match with anyone, all he'd do is kill. And still, my friend Bill didn't want to shill any of his. I don't know. That's enough. That's enough. Yeah, I know. I wanted to get in on this little scalp rev. But I mean, we're definitely at that 50% level, so that's what people are looking out for. 50% level, and the fact that we got the news coming up, and the fact that for those who have trend channels drawn, we bounce up here is just leading to all this sideways movement. The rookies battling it out right now. I've wrote many rap songs. You guys don't know that? Back in high school, I was the rap king for the school projects. AP bio rap, chemistry rap, calculus rap, you name it. I was performing, I was writing, I was producing, I was doing everything. All right, 1 minute, 30 seconds. What's your rap name? I have no idea. Rap song, Lambos in the background. Sell a course. Whew, man. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. All right, there we go. There we go. What are we gonna do? Should I buy? Should I buy blindly right here? Uh-oh. What's happening? What's happening? I might I might take a little buy order right here. Why not? Now's the time. Now's the time. Whoever's out there. Bang, right there. Oh, 1. Boom. Could have got a nice little scalp. Look at that. Look at that. No, it is honestly true. When you have a news announcement and you quickly get so far away from the EMA and then you have a slight break, then you keep going lower, then you're rejected again. Like I've seen it too many times where you can pick a bottom and it works out. Obviously, it can easily go the other way too, but not a, some people might only base their trades off the news and make money doing that. Like it's not that far fetched. Gamblers, hell yeah. Hell yeah. No, I'm kidding. No, but even in news announcements, like here, the price action was followed. We had one attempt to go higher, failed. Another attempt to go higher, failed. Here's a double trap right here. Like if you went short right here, that's an excellent trade. Like 1, 2, third attempt. All the people trying to gamble, yeah, all the people trying to pick the bottoms, they got trapped, and now we're going lower again. Yeah, this is a nice short right here. Tell him, baby squid. What do you think? All right, all right. But yeah, I mean, if you took this short right here, I gotta just applaud my hands. If we had, I was considering it, but we were just not quite touching the 21 EMA. So I usually like to wait for that, but it is what it is. I don't like trading the news anyway. I'm just talking right now. But again, we had a little fake out here. We didn't quite take out the lows. We just got rejected at the EMA again. So now could be time where we actually test lows one more time. Yeah, exactly. Me too, baby squid. If it wasn't during the news, definitely worth it to take that trade, but anything during the news has a silver lining. All right, we're about 2 points away from taking out the lows of the pre-market. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now it's going to be interesting what happens for sure. I kind of wanted to take this long right here. Would have worked out for a nice quick scalp. But we had this downtrend break, clear new low, break out of this range. But obviously we could still just start working lower and lower. $42.80, the next low, the next significant low. Let's pull up the daily. Yeah, right around there. Oh man, if we take that low out, we could be in for some pain. Only about 10 points away. Yeah, right here. 42.77, right around there. Yeah, looks like we're trying to go lower, honestly. We're just getting rejected over and over again now. Yeah, this is getting ugly now. So now, the fact that we kept making new lows, now is the point where I'll widen this downtrend because, I mean, we're just clearly working down. Yeah, probably gonna take out those lows. We got 7 points to go. But definitely not looking good. Not looking good.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Too late to the party. But nice lower high here again. And look how precisely we're just bouncing off this little trend. Should have put a stop market order behind or below this lower high. A little late. A little late. But at any point now we might come back, have a little breather, test the EMA, and then work lower. All right, what did Johnny do now? Micro long at 42.88. Oh, a long. 42.88. Okay. Where's your target? What's your target, Johnny? $43.17. Man. It's almost like a 30-point move. Here's your move. Here's your move. Will the EMA hold though? All right, there we go. Here's your rip. Johnny. Oh my goodness. But 43.17, you're saying we're going all the way back up here to the midline. Man, my stuff is lagging right now.
Order fill. Target fill.
All right, there we go. There we go.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
All right, but what I saw here, basically we had 2 legs up. We were far away from the EMA. I'm still confident in this downtrend. I'm still looking at those lows from a few days ago, and we also just bounced off of the previous range lows. So, man, maybe I should have kept the runner going. Maybe I should have kept the runner going, but that's what I saw. I mean, where did I even... Let's see what happened. All right, text marker. All right, so 93.50 to 91.75, so 1.75 points.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Target fill. Order fill. Order fill.
All right, in and out again, in and out again. Maybe I should keep these trades going now that we're so volatile, but I mean, we're seeing the market right. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0. Probably should have kept the runner going, honestly, as we were saying. Man, now it's going. Now it's going. Trade Evate's having a seizure again. So yeah, normally my traditional strategy is that I keep a runner going, but in this case we're just going for scalps, And now, I mean, look at this. Look at this movement. Look at this movement. Unbelievable. Could have caught that move. It's all right. It's all right. You know what? Can't be mad at 4-0. Can't be mad at about $500 profit per account. Johnny's switching gears now, going for shorts. Yeah, I wasn't convinced we were gonna go all the way at testing these highs up here. It looked a little bearish. Actually, a lot bearish. But we basically met those lows from a couple days ago. Yes, sir, Toe Man. That's how we do it. That's how we do it, Toe Man. So yeah, now we had a swing high, and this is where, if I had a runner going, this is where I would trail it right here. So it would have been, I mean, I think if I had kept both these trades going, I would still be in it. So about 7 to 10, 11, 12 points. It is what it is. It is what it is. So yeah, now if I had a runner going, I'd just trail it right here again. Every swing low. And at this point, do we have a even wider downtrend right here? Yeah, we might just have something like that. What's up, Melvin? These are both evals. These are both evals. I just started them for this little trading challenge. $42.61 next downside objective. All right. 42.61. Not 42.66. The lows of May 31st. Yeah, I mean, anything could happen right now, honestly. Anything could happen. But it might be time for a little break in the downtrend, honestly. We're looking a little oversold. That's what my drawings are telling me. So I'm honestly thinking we might come back, test the highs of this little trend channel we have. But who knows? Who knows, man? Probably smart for me to just be done for the day. 4-0. Not bad, not bad. We might just turn down here again. Looks a little. Looks like we got a little bit of a rejection area here. But after such a strong move down, what is this? How many points? Let's say 43.15 down to 42.75. 40-point move. 40-point moves. Oh my God. They don't happen every day. I'll tell you that. I'm trying to see if this little uptrend is valid. I'm not very confident in it. But, geez, man. 40 points in the down, on the little downswing in a matter of minutes. It's crazy. It's crazy. How long have you been using Tradeovate for, Mr. Rev? I've no idea. I've no bias towards Tradeovate or not. I've never used it. Never looked into it. Since you started futures? So 2 weeks ago? No, I'm kidding. How long have you been trading futures? Because weren't you were only doing forex at the start, right? If I remember, a few months ago. April or May. All right. Yeah, I thought so, man. I remember. I remember. All right, what do we have here? Do we got a little range going? Are we gonna really test the lows again? No way. No chance. Is there? Is there? All right, we're testing this little area again. But like I said before, it might be time to have a little retracement, either to the midline or to the top of this little trend channel we got going. Yeah, iced coffee. Ooh, you noticed. You noticed. I got one yesterday, man. I just started looking fresh. My hair was getting out of control. It was getting crazy. Got to impress the ladies, man. All the ladies in this chat. All the ladies in this chat. Can you give me something? Is anyone out there? I thought live streaming was gonna give me some action. I guess not. I guess not, man. I'm tempted to take a short right here. Gotta get those cornrows. Yeah, so the short went without us. I feel like it's probably better to just be done for the day. But I'm still tempted to take a trade. Gotta get those cornrows. Uh, I'm not I'm not black, man. I'm not black. I can't pull off the cornrows. Traitorous chick. Ooh. We got a chick in here. Even though it's not the chick you're thinking of. It's a little chicken chick. A chicken chick. Chicken chic. Alright. But going back to the charts. We're just in the middle of this little area of congestion again. Not a bad short up here if you pulled the trigger on that. Just once again, clear failed breakout. And obviously, overall, if you see a short, don't be afraid to take it. You're done for the day, baby squid. Nice. That's how you do it, man. In and out after an hour. Chill the rest of the day. Go hang out with your traitorous chick. Have a good time. Not bad. Not a bad life. But if we do come back, test these lows again, take them out, we're probably not going to go much further down. I mean, at least that's what it looks like to me. Yeah, so we took out these lows. Definitely some people just ready to buy right now. But man, this uptrend we had going, we just completely reversed the other way. All right, slight bounce at the lows, but once again, we're just at the middle, really a no trade zone. I mean, I wouldn't risk taking any trade in this area. Not worth, not worth the headache. Binge-worthy news. All right, I'll take that. I'll take that pass then. I'm cleared. I'm cleared on getting the cornrows. All right. All right, tomorrow we'll be back with some cornrows. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for that. Um, I'll show you. I'll show you, Eric. Because 2000 tick chart, you get something that's consistent. 2000 transactions. The 1 minute chart, yeah, it's time based, so obviously every bar is gonna be based on 1 minute. But anything can happen in that minute. Like it's not gonna be as nice and neat as this chart. So I'm gonna duplicate this chart. I'm gonna make it 1 minute. So it's gonna be very similar, but like, look in the overnight, the bar is gonna be very, very small, very tiny. And then when it really gets volatile, the bars are just gonna be massive. You're not gonna be able to really tell what is going on. Like, notice this range in the 1 minute compared to the 2000 tick. There's just a lot more detail. So we're back to the 2000 tick. That's why I like it. Cheers. Yeah, man. 2000 tick chart. It's how it is. It's how we do it. Yo. Tolu. Oluron Fumi. Micro NQ trader, I know. Looking at time-based charts after using the 2000 tick chart for so long, it just looks like a lot more of a mess. Like the 2000 tick chart is just very consistent, very detailed day to day. All right, so any day now we'll probably break out of this range, start working higher. That's my guess. All right, and here it is. Here we is. Here we are, starting to work higher. Will anyone take this short right here? If we get rejected, because now we are at this midline of the downward channel we have drawn. So we'll see. We might just get rejected, start working lower again. Who knows? Who knows, man? Man, feels like we've been out here for hours. It's only been 1 hour live streaming. Whew. 33 viewers, not bad. How we all doing? How we all doing? Traitorous chick, I know you're out there. Alright, we're getting a lower high here. However, once again, we're just in the very middle of this range. No trade zone for me, for my liking. But you do you. You do you. Alright, and looks like this momentum does not want to hold up. Where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna go? How low can we go? That's the question. Okay, we're making lower highs, lower lows. I mean, this could get ugly by the end of the day. Who knows? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? How low are we gonna go? Johnny, what's the prediction? Honestly, this is one of the instances where, okay, it appears we should be having a failed breakout. Like we broke out the bottom. We had a nice rejection bar, bullish bar. Looks like we're going higher. Looks like we might have a higher low, but I'm not just gonna ignore this short-term downtrend. I mean, this looks bearish to me. So even though traditionally in ranges you have a failed breakout at the bottom, look to buy, look to go test the other side of the range. But we got something conflicting right here, which is this short-term downtrend. And let's see, do we continue working lower? That's my question. I feel like we might. I want to see us test the EMA, get rejected off the EMA, work lower again. But what do I know? We might just start working higher.
Order cancel.
All right, there we go. That's what I was looking for. Nice little rejection. Second entry short. In and out. Yeah, one point scalp. 1 point scalp. Maybe I should have kept the runner going again. You never know. But yeah, those are the moments where I would take a trade in the middle of the range where we broke out the bottom. I wasn't confident that we were just gonna start going higher again. I'm still not confident. I mean, if we get another lower high here, I'm gonna look to go short again. Rejection off the EMA clearly. I'm not looking to buy anytime soon. But we might. But we might not.
Cancel.
But not bad. 5-0 again. So 5-0 today. Yesterday, what was it? Yesterday, 2-0. Day before that, 5-0. The day before that, 4-0. Based on the 1 point scalps. So 9, 10, 11, 16 trades in a row. 16 winning trades in a row. Not too shabby. "16 trades in a row. Ooh, it's a nice little streak. My birthday is on the 16th. Not of this month, but 16's a good number. But even with that, because we had a rough start last week, we're not that much in the green in these gowns. Like yesterday we basically got above break even. Today, definitely a lot in the green. So one account is all right. And see here we're going lower. What I say, guys? What I say, man? You see these nice concise downtrends. You see the break. You gotta if your method is based on trend lines, trend channels, be confident in them. I was confident in this. I was waiting for us to test this new low again. Now we got that. Now anything could really happen. But basically this is where we're at. So one account almost 51K. One account slightly under. So we'll see. We gotta get to 53K in order to pass these evals. But my oh my. Looks like we're not stopping this downtrend anytime soon, honestly, guys. This does not look very pretty. Let's take a look at the daily, I mean. Ooh. Look at all these red bars. My goodness. But these are the days where you gotta capitalize on the volatility. If you're seeing the market right, you gotta cash in on these days with a lot of movement. What do y'all think? What do y'all think about that? Let's see. Is there another wider channel? Potentially, but no, it doesn't look very accurate to me. All right, we're not getting too much movement right now. I'm gonna wrap up the stream right there. Call it a day, 5-0. No reason to keep trading these accounts. We'll catch up tomorrow. We'll catch up again tomorrow. Peace. Good luck in the markets, everyone. Good luck in the rest of your trading day. Have a good one. Have a good one. Pleasure. Apex also 90% off if you want to get any more evals. I think there's 2 more days to get your evals if you want to use a trade copier, Replicanto trade copier, trade multiple accounts. And that's all I got. That's all I got for you guys. Peace out. Peace out. Another one. Another one. Okay, actually, I'll be out in a couple minutes. I don't know why my chat wasn't loading. So let me catch up on the track a little bit. Raincoat charts, Jamie. I don't know about Raincoat charts. How many trades have I made from day one? Maybe, I don't know. Probably about 3 to 4 a day times 7. Maybe about 30 trades. Nice hairstyle. Thanks, Miss Lunary. All right. I appreciate it, Bill. I appreciate it, Bill. Explain my last short, Diogo. This one right here, if you're still here. All right, so we had to break out of the range. So most breakouts of ranges will fail. But in this case, I'm not ignoring the overall context of the day. Look how bearish we are. So when we had one leg up, first entry, another leg up, second rejection of trying to go higher. Those are the setups I look for. We had a bearish bar at the EMA. I'm respecting this downtrend because I wasn't confident that the breakout was going to fail because we were in a downtrend. I'm respecting this short-term trend and we rejected off the EMA. So that's why. Yeah, I have a code for Replicanto, Mumu20, Mumu20, MUMU20. All right, now I'm out. Peace out, Mr. Luminary. Peace out, y'all. Another one.